right, I'm Dr. Jontel Pierce. It's been a while since we have, since I've recorded a video. So today I would like to talk about epilepsy. So that's a bulk of my practice is epilepsy, treating patient with seizures. A lot of people come to me for different things like spacing out, episodes of confusion, episodes of losing track of time. Those are all signs of seizures, and a lot of people do not realize they have seizures. Epilepsy is when the brain kind of goes haywire, like the electrical activity of the brain becomes hyperactive in a certain part of the brain, or sometimes the entire brain. So when it's just a part of the brain, that's when people can present with just a staring spell or an episode of confusion, or maybe even one side jerking movement. But when it's the whole brain, that's when you have the whole tonic-clonic jerking and then a complete loss of consciousness. So we have testing done at my clinic. So we have two offices, one in Katy and one in Sugar Land. And these testings, they are usually covered by insurance. We set up electrodes on the head, and then we measure the electrical activity. And we see if there's any signs of epilepsy or seizures through this testing. The first test is about 20 minutes long for the entire testing process, but to set up for the entire recording process is about 20-25 minutes long. Setting up may take about an hour and a half. That tests your brain activity for about 20-25 minutes. Sometimes these tests do not show us what we need to see, so therefore we go ahead and get a long-term video EEG. This is a EEG monitor that will record you for 72 hours, so over 3 nights. You take it home, and if you have one of those episodes that you think possibly could be a seizure, then we record that. Everything's recorded, and then we go back and review it. We have EEG techs that review it while it's being recorded, and then I review the whole study after everything is complete and uploaded. And then I'll look and see if there's any signs of epilepsy or seizures. So, like I said before, many people do not realize they have seizures, so this is a test that we offer at my neurology clinic to detect seizure activity. So the EEG, like I mentioned before, it tests the electrical activity of the brain. So we've been doing that since we started, but just want to let everyone know that that's what we do offer, and it's usually covered by insurance. We go through the whole process, prior authorization with your insurance companies, and let you know how much would be out of pocket. Also, I was going to mention that it's non-invasive test. It doesn't require any needles or anything like that. It's pretty painless. So, just wanted to let you guys know about epilepsy. And that was a brief video, but if you have any questions or would like to hear more, please